4x4 Kin puzzle. And so that means there's 4 squares on every single, on each side. Well, it means there's 4 squares to make up of one big square on all sides. So since it's a 1, 3, 4, we write 1, 2, 3, and 4 at the bottom so that we know the numbers that we're working with. And these are the only numbers we can use in the puzzle. And so, so each number, these are all the numbers we have to try to get to using whatever like thing it shows here. Like for example, if it says add right here, then we would add numbers to get to 7, but only using these 3 boxes, because where the thick lines are, that's the numbers we can fill in the boxes. Does that make sense?
No.
So you'd have to figure out the 3 numbers that you could add up to get to 7 in those 3 boxes.
Yeah, because it's the bold ones right here.
Oh, so that's the box. Okay, I see.
That's the cage, right?
And then and then if it says subtract though, we would subtract to get to 3. But so our main goal is to get numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it doesn't matter the order, but it has to be in every box. So it doesn't have to be in this order. It could be 3, 2, yeah. It doesn't matter the order, it just has to be in every box, going up and down. So it also
Each
has,
row has to have at least 1, 2, 3, and 4
yeah,
in
and
any order.
yeah, this way and this way. So,
Wait, Lukey,
huh?
are you able to do 2 of the same number in one row?
That would be a repeat, and like we can't have 2 2s and then a 3 and a 4. We can't have 2
But
2s
the
and
biggest cage is 3 boxes.
we can't have 2 2s in this row
2 ones.
or 1s or 3s. It doesn't matter the number. We just can't have repeats. So no repeats.
What can't be
Does that
in
make
the box.
sense?
Like you
No
can't
repeats.
put one going
Okay.
across or down.
So
But there's only
you're probably, you guys, if you see this, you're probably wondering, what do we do with this one? Because there's no addition or multiplication.
it's freebie.
Yeah, so that means we just write 1 here. Yeah. So then, so now let's look at the 6. What are the only numbers we can use out of 1 through 4 to make 6?
2 and 4.
Yeah. So, but what we do for numbers, we don't know for sure where they go, is we put them in small, and we write it pretty light so that we can like easily erase it.
Right, you know the bottom won't be a 4 because it's already 4 in the next.
But we all have pens.
Oh no, that 4 is not.
Luke,
That doesn't count.
we all
That's
have
not
pens.
the number that goes.
Oh no. Then I guess you'll have to just
I have
cross it out or something. Eli, that's not right. Okay, so
I have a pen. I have a
Um,
pencil.
do you
Luke,
guys
change
see?
the color to blue.
Do you guys see anything? There's something being given away right here.
A 1 minus. That means minus is 1.
It has to be a -3.
Yeah, we have to put a 3 here because we know that there's going to be no other 3 here because this is either a 2 or a 4 and this is a 1.
2 minus 1 would make me 1.
So
Oh.
This 3 has to be
1,
here.
2, 3, 4.
What if
Mhm.
if you did 3
but
minus
it does
2,
not
you
matter the order.
You
So
did 3 minus 2.
so for this 3, that means we can either have a 2 or a 4 here because those are the only 2 numbers we can subtract to get to 1 using 3.
So you can only do a 2 and a 4.
The minus ones are confusing me.
So this means we have to subtract to get to 1 because 1's the number right here.
Okay, so like 3 minus 2
Mhm.
is, okay,
So
alright,
we
so
can put-
1 is the end result, but we have to use minus.
Yeah, we have to
Okay.
put 2 and 4
Gotcha.
in small right.
Wait,
Gotcha.
look. This one would it be? Would this one be 3 minus 2? The one where you drew a big 3.
It's either 2 or 4, but we don't know until there's something either forced in here or here. Does
We're
that make
supposed to
sense?
copy the thing that's up on the TV.
I mean, yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
No, you have to write the
All
1 and
smiling
2 and
face.
4.
Yeah.
2 and 4. Mom, we gotta write it.
And small.
So Now, let's look at the, where should we go next, you guys?
Oh, I know.
Huh,
We might go 5.
Can we go to the 4 plus down below? 4 plus.
okay, yeah.
So this is where you.
What two numbers out of 1 through 4 can we only use to get to 4?
3 and 1.
Yes, Joey.
Look, I'm trying to copy.
So, 1 and 3 we can put in small right here.
So 13, 13.
No, 1 and 3.
So why should you put 1 and 3 in the
But-
other box beside it?
1 and 3. Yeah, that makes 15.
It's a possibility, right? You don't know for sure which
Yeah.
one, which order.
Be one of those numbers you just don't
There could be a 3.
13.
So it's just 1 and 3.
Because Judah, there could be a 1 here or a 3 here, or vice versa. It could be a 3 here and a 1 here, but we don't know yet, so we put them in small.
Oh.
And then you're gonna cross out which one it's not.
Huh.
You change the color to blue or
No.
green.
Please.
Or
rainbow.
No, thank you.
Change it
Okay.
to
So,
change the color.
now, right here, we can only use 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 to get to 5, right? But that's too many possibilities, so we don't write that down. There has to be at least 2 different possibilities. There can be any higher.
So your 7 would be at 4 because you already have a 3 in that row. Is that what you're saying? That very top line? Because you have 1. The 7 plus, that would be a 4 because you already have a 3 in that line. Is that what you're saying?
No. So,
The 3 isn't guaranteed, right? You meant to write that small?
no,
So that was.
Or that is guaranteed, oh yeah, because the vertical,
yeah.
so that is
Why
there.
wouldn't that be 4 then? Because the only one with 3 plus 4 equals 7.
They're supposed to be.
But it's those 2 boxes and the one below it equals 7.
Oh, I see something.
Because, just because of that particular one, it was 3 boxes, see the bold?
Yeah, I don't get it. Okay.
So,
Can you show her the 7, the 3 boxes that have to total 7?
So it's 3 boxes that
Yeah.
equal 7.
so, okay.
See how
So
it's
then the
folded?
three, so then the 3's gonna have to go on the bottom of that other box.
So,
Right here.
right here, there's also too many possibilities because to subtract 1, we can do 3 and 4, 2 and 3, and 1 and 2. Yeah.
Just put the 3 on it like the other one.
What? No. Stay on it. That's not how it works.
What if you
That's
just
what I would do.
what if you just write an A plus on it and then
Well, no, let's just figure out.
Okay, so
So we know that.
so where should we look next, guys?
we should look at this
5.
Three.
The -1.
The -3. 7 plus.
The
Silas
5.
is right, the -3. So what 2 numbers out of the numbers 1 through 4 can we only use?
2
Four.
minus 1.
What does it say?
Right now. 4 minus 4
Oh!
minus 1.
There is a 4 in it.
It gives away something.
4 minus 1.
4 and 3. 4 and 3 to equal 3. Wait. I mean 4 minus 1, yes, Eli, thank you. So,
That means on the 6 plus that has to be below the.
yes, Job, I know what you're saying. So now where the 6 is, we can erase or cross them out. And we can put a 2 here and a 4 here. Because there's going to be a 4 either way here, so we put the 2 there. Does that make sense?
Like, can you do what he's asking?
Yes, it does.
Mm-hmm.
100%.
So, now, okay, so now, where's something that's very obvious? There's something happening over here.
The 1. It's that one.
What do we put right here?
A
Raise your
3.
hand.
3.
Yeah,
3.
great 8. So, okay, so,
I told you we just copied.
there's also another thing forcing you guys.
Right below the 3
Yeah,
that we just did.
It's 2.
so, now, since these are are 3 and 2, then we know that this is either going to be a 4 or a 1. Because there has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And no repeats.
Well, it can't be a 1, right? Because there's already a 1 over on the other side.
Oh yeah,
but
good
it
job,
can't be a-
yourself.
Wait,
Look, have you ever gotten one of these?
There's a 1 here, so this has to be a 4 and this has to be a 1. Otherwise, it would be repeats. Which means this has to be a 2. Wait. And that means that this is a 4 because it can't be a 2. Otherwise, that would be a repeat. So does this make sense so far?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so
Maybe. Kind of.
now we can look over here now, and we know it's not 1 and 4 because there's a 1 here. So we know that it has to either be 2 or 3. But there's a 2 right here,
2 plus
so
3.
we know that it's gonna be
2
a
plus
3 right here and a 2 right here.
And then that means that the 3 on the 4 plus has to be where the 2 is.
Oh yeah, so there would be a repeat if the 3 right at the 4 right here would stay here. So it would have to be a 1 right here and then the 3 right here, which shows that this is a 4 and this is a 1. And it's solved.
Very cool.
Yay.
Like a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
So you should like it.
Good job.
Ready?
Thanks.
Yay!
Yay.